I'm going to show you the operation management module in MainManager. I log in here from the login page as usual, and I come directly to the operation management module. In this case, I have split the operation and maintenance. Many of our customers have this as one module, but this is configurable in our system. In this case, I will explain them separately. Operation management are usually recurrent tasks, daily tasks that are year-round the same and the next year the same, usually. And you have some steps here. The first step is creating the plan. And that is done in a simple way that I will come back to through something I call standard tasks. But here you generate this plan, and what you have to do here is to select who is responsible for each of these tasks, because the system will generate in January 5 work order for fire round and 4 in February, and you have to decide who is going to receive this. And we can do that by clicking this button here, and we can say who is responsible, employee or just an organization. We have some automatic here, but this is the manual process to do that. Also, if you have budget on each task, you can assign budget for each task here. So when you have done this, you can accept the plan, approve the plan, and when you have approved the plan, you come to the next step. And here the automatic starts. The system generates work order from this plan and assign them to responsible persons. And what happens here at each point is generated to a work order. Work orders are shown in the process as a list here. You have the total list of work orders generated from the plan, also ad hoc work orders that are not planned. So you see them here. And usually the work orders and the checklist are done by our apps, but you see the status for all work orders here, and you can see the status of the checklist here on if they are done or not. And we have also incident overview. All incidents that are created on the site that you're responsible to are shown here, and you can change them into work orders or whatever. And you can also connect the plan and work orders to service contract. This is done here. Then you have the task plan, planning, approval. You have incident overview on the daily incidents. You have work order overview, and you have service contract overview. And this one here, when you're generating a standard, a PPM plan, you have this library. You can fill out this library of standard tasks, and these are recurrent tasks, usually with frequency, description, checklist, and so on. And then you can connect the standard tasks to different technical systems or just to the building, actually. So this is just a type of technical system or room or outdoor area and so on that you are connecting. And then when you create a plan, you, for instance, if I select a new site here, for instance, headquarters, and you have no plan here, and what I've done here, I've created some technical systems here. Here's a fire extinguisher and air conditioning. And then I can just click on this function here and select create task from predefined standard tasks. I select this one site. I could select everyone, but I just select this site, and I want to create a operation plan just from August to the end of this year. I don't use customer selection. I can select specific tasks here from the standard, but I just want to create a task for each system that I have created on the site. And I run this here, and then the system said you are ready, and I update here, and here's the plan. So it's really easy to generate plan, and then you start to approve it and so on. Thank you very much. This was the operation management module.